Yeah. Try this question and tell me answer for this question. Everyone, good morning. Reply everyone in answer. In chat box, reply everyone and tell me answer. I think audio and video is clear. I hope. Reply in message if it is clear both. Try this question and we will start today ratio from basic to high level question from previous questions. This is all from previous question. Basic to high level will go. Okay. Anyone answer for this question? Prithvi said 44,000. Good, Prithvi. Yes. Chetan said 44,000. Good. Vaishali said 44,000. Now everyone replying 44,000 is your answer. Good. Okay. Sir, how to solve this question? Who are not understanding? Those members say now. How to solve this question? You can able to see now. Say the question is very simple. The ratio of student in quant class preparing SBI PO and IBPS PO is 4 is to 5. Tell me what is 4, what is 5, what is representationally? 4 ಏನು represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 5 ಏನು represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? That is the number of students. Number of students. SBA PO prepare ಆಗ್ತಿರೋರು 4 members. IBPS PO prepare ಆಗ್ತಿರೋರು 5 members. That is the number of students. Number of student ratio. Respectively, the ratio of fees collected from each student SBA PO and IBPS PO is 20 is to 22. I mean 22 is to 21. It is number of persons. It is number of persons. It is fees. Fees ಎಸ್ ಬಿ ಐ ಪಿ ಒ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಈಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹತ್ರ 22 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಿ ಐ ಪಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಈಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹತ್ರ 22 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? 88 rupee and it is 105 rupee. But in exam, don't calculate continue from here. Answer should be 88 multiple. 88 means 11 and 8 multiple. So 11 multiple easy to check. It is only one option. This is not 11 multiple because 11 fours are 44. 11 fours are 44. Now remaining you have how much? Remaining you have 6 plus 2 85 you have. Then 11 fours are 48 is possible. 11 fours are 44 it is not possible. 11 fours are 44 again it is not possible. So only one option 11 multiple that is option. Also none of this is there. None of this is there. Either this or that. In exam I will take chance. I don't want to do calculation from here. I will take chance. If it is a time in ending I will do verification if I have time. But anyway here I will do full. Now say how to do continue from here. 88 plus total fees SBI PO ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ 88 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂತು. IBPS PO ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 105 rupees ಬಂತು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 193 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ನನಗೆ 193 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 965. I don't want 0 because all are integer number means it is divisible by 100. One part is equal to, then one part is equal to 965 divided by 193 into 100. That 100 I will write later. 193 into 10, 1930. Then answer should be less than 10. 3 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yeah, 5. Then one part is equal to 500. One part is equal to 500. Yeah, all are integer means this is also pakka integer number I will get, which means it is completely divisible. So one part is equal to 500. What you need to find out? 88 parts you have to find out. You have to find out 88 parts you have to find out. How to multiply 88 into 5 into 100? 500 I will write like this. 88 any number multiplication by 5 means half of that number. 88 of 44 and 10. Any number multiplication by 5 means half of that number into 10, 440 and 20. It is your answer. I hope everyone is clear. Please reply in messages if you have doubts. But in exam, how to decide, I already told you. If it is a none of these also, take chance. Try this question and tell me what might be the answer. Try everyone. The ratio of money with Tushar and Chakshu 9 is to 19 and Chakshu is to Ardik is 5 is to 7. Just simple question. Find out combined with A is to B is to C. Then find out. It will be easy. You can do it. Then find the money with Ardik. I need to find out Ardik how much he have. Means you have to find out 7 multiple. Otherwise. Otherwise full multiply and tell me answer. What is answer? What is the answer? ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾ 2394. Okay, good. Okay, I will tell answer who are not understanding. Say now. I will tell answer. Who are not understanding, I will tell answer. Say everyone. Yes. I think C is wrong. I think 2394 is the right according to my calculation even. Okay. Say now. The ratio of two persons 9 is to 19. Okay. So Tushar and Chakshu ratio. Then Chakshu and Ardik ratio is 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7. You can do right 5 is to 7 here only directly 9 5 is the 45. Again 5 9 19 5 is the 95. Again 19 7 you can do like that also. Otherwise, if I multiply here 5 19, you can do like that also. So the ratio will be 45 is to 95 is to 133. In this anyone have doubt? To find to merge the ratio merge ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? No doubt, I think. Okay. Now in the question they are given Tushar has 8 but according to this he have 45. 45 parts is equal to 810. 45 parts is equal to 810. 810. One part how much? That I need to find out. How to do this number? 1620 divided by 90. Bariboda? Right or wrong? Double I did double. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ double ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ double ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Then it will be 9 ones are 9. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 19 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So one part is equal to 19 into what is the question they're asking? Ardik means 33. 133. That I need to multiply. 18, sorry, 18 that is. 8, 9 8 alma. 9 8 9 8 72, then 18. Yes. Then 8 into 3, 4. How many options ending with 4? Only one option ending with 4. None of these also is there. But take chance. Otherwise, if you want full, how to multiply, let me know. How to multiply 18 into 133, anyone? Yes, 1800 plus 540 plus 54. 1800 plus 500, 2300. Then 40 plus 54, 94. 2394. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ splitting method 100 plus 33 plus 3 splitting method you can do that. Is it clear? If anyone have doubt let me know. Try this question and tell me answer. What's the answer? Try to solve this question, everyone. Option B said answer. Let's see. It is a very simple question. I don't know why you are taking this much time. The monthly income of two persons are in the ratio 9 is to 13. Monthly expenditure in the ratio 23 is to 35. If each one of them saves 60 per month, what is their monthly income? Answer is 9 multiple. It is not 9 multiple because 11 I have. It is 12 plus 5, 17. It is not 9 multiple. It is possible. 4, 1, 5, 10. It is not 9 multiple. So only one possible. Also none of these also possible. If I have none of these, I will take 515 also. It should be 13 multiple. Yes, it is 13 multiple because 13 for 3 is the and remaining. You will get to know 75. Yes. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 9 and 10 first 9 multiple I will check if it is none of this I will verify 515 it should be 13 multiple it should be 13 multiple like that I will do first is it clear now see how to solve this question if I have all numbers are 9 multiple if I have all numbers are 9 multiple how to solve this question here this question I have already discussed in percentage chapter here again ratio instead of percentage here I have ratio that's the only difference even whenever I have percentage I will do ratio method only Sarah income basic method first I will do again this question I explained in two methods method 1 9 is to 13 is the income 9 is to 13 is the income and expenditure is 23 is to 35 23 is to 35 and this is income this is expenditure this is savings savings is 60 each e is also 60 rupee e is also 60 rupee if I assume basic method if I solve this question basic method so I assume income is 9x income is 9x my savings is 60 rupee because income minus savings is equal to expenditure then 13x minus 60 rupee income minus savings is equal to expenditure then it will be 23 by 35 23 by 35 it is a method 1 this you have to solve this already explained how to solve this type of question equation method it is a basic method what is the second method anyone tell me 9 is to 3 23 is to 35 I will type ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ನೋಡೋಣ 23 is to 35 9 is to 3 and 23 is to 35 here 12 here gap is 12 yes here gap is 12 here gap is 6 then here I will write 9 into 13 okay 9 into 13 it is okay so 9 into 13 what's the gap but here gap is 4 then this number I will multiply with the 3 then it will be 27 is to 39 27 is to 39 27 in the 23 4 parts is equal to 16 one part is equal to 15 one part is equal to 15 what's the question they're asking income 27 parts how much and 39 parts how much solve that question you will get answer One part is equal to 15. 15 into 27. Again 15 into 39. 15 into 39. 15 into 40. That is how much? And minus 15 to it. We'll get answer. 15 into 40, 600 minus 15, 585. 15 into 30, 450 minus 45. You will get answer 405. I hope everyone understood this method. Is it clear or not? Reply in message. Tell me. Say everyone again. Second method. 9 is to 13. 23 is to 35. If each saving 60 rupee, that is important. He is also saving 60 rupee, he is also saving 60 rupee. If both are decreased by same number, both the sides, the difference should be equal. Concept I will explain here. The concept I will explain here. For example, I will assume income of first person is I1, expenditure of first person is E2. Then second person income is E2, I2, expenditure is E2. Then what is the savings actually ratio? Savings ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Savings ratio. What is the meaning savings? Yeah, income minus expenditure is equal to, it is, I will assume it is I3, I will assume. Income minus expenditure 2, then I2 minus E3. But why I am writing equal? Anyone tell me? Why I am writing equal? Here equal I am writing. Why? Is the savings equal? Yeah, savings ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ I1 income 1% first person minus income second person is equal to E2 minus E3. Income first person, income minus second person difference should be expenditure first person, expenditure second person. Can I write? Is it clear now concept? Which means first person to income minus expenditure, second person income minus expenditure should be same when it is, if savings are equal. If savings are equal, the difference of income and expenditure of first person and second person income and expenditure are same. That you have to know here. Income ratio they are given: first person income, second person income, first person expenditure, second person expenditure. Here this difference should be same. How to make here difference? How much I have here? Here I have 4 difference. Here how much I have? 12 difference. This number should be equal, so I will multiply here 3. 3 4 3 9s are 27. 13 3s are 39. Now your income is 27. First person income is 27. Now after spending some amount, his savings expenditure is 27. Then how much here the difference? 27 rupee increase ಇತ್ತು, 23 ರೂಪಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೇಷಿಯೋ? 27 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 23 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 39 ರೂಪಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇಸ್ 35 ರೂಪಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಇನ್ನ 4 ರೂಪಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. According to ratio, both have 4 rupees only savings, but according to question, 60 rupee. Then one part is equal to 50. I hope everyone understood this. Like these questions you have in your book also. Before coming to class, try to do and come. Try this at least. Are you 1 minute time? Try to do. Very simple question it is. The respective ratio between the ages of Varun Shubham reveal 5:8:10. average of their present age is 46 years, then what would be the difference in ages of Shubham and Reveals after 99 years? Easy question, not so. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 10, 23 parts is equal to 46 into 3. Then 2 into 3, 1 part is equal to 6. 1 part is equal to 6. Then you can find out present ages. Then after 99 years, what is the difference? That's only. ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು 99 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1000 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗಲೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. No need to consider 99. After 1000 years ಕೊಟ್ರು no use. Whatever you have difference now, same difference you have after 99 years also. So you can find out now difference. What's the difference now? In the question they are asking difference between Shubham and this person. Okay. Yeah. 12 years not an answer. So the question they are asking Varun, Shubham and Ravi. Shubham and Ravi. Many members said 12. Okay. Good. Try to solve others also. 12 years right answer. Say now. Simple question. Three persons, Varun, Shubham, and Ravlin. Three members. The ratio is present a ratio is 5 is to 8 is to 10. After average of their present age is 46 and difference I need to find out after 99 years. It is waste. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಐ ಹಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So I can't decide answer. Let's do it then. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 10, 23 parts is equal to 46 into 3. ಯಾಕೆ 46 into 3 ಯಾಕೆ? It is average. It is average. I have to compare equally. Equally I have to compare. Okay. Then it will be 23 is the sum. Then average in sum convert madre 46 into 3 because 3 members. Then it is 2 into 3. It will be sorry into 3. It will be 6. One part is equal to 6. One part is equal to 6. I need to find out difference. Two parts how much? Two parts how much? Your answer will be 12. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು 12 ಇರುತ್ತೋ 99 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇವನು 99 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇವನು 99 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವನು 99 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೂರು ಜನ 99 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ everyone understood this. Please let me know others. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Solve this question and tell me the answer. I'll give time. Anyone answer? B answer. Okay. Good. Chetan. You're taking approximately 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay. 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 Any others? Reply answers everyone. Okay. So now, which method I will upload approach? Now I will teach you two methods. Three methods, basic method. Most of them you will do. You may approach this method. Most of them you may approach this method. 7,500 is the income. 9,000 is the income. Most of them you may do like this. Then you will find out 64 percentage expenditure. Then in the question they are asking find their savings ratio. Then at least you can do directly 30 is to 30, yes, 36 percentage of this. Again you can find out 55 percentage expenditure means savings will be 45 percentage of this. Most of them you may do like this, 45 percentage of this, 36% of this, you will get answer. But yeah, that's method one. That's method one. But instead of taking original number, here also take ratio. Here also, if I take ratio, 2020 get cancelled, it will be 5 is to 6. It will be 5 is to 6. Ratio will be 5 is to 6. Which means now I will write 36 percentage into directly 5 is to 45 percentage into 6. Now I can cancel easily. 5 ones are 5 nines are 6 ones are 6 six are. Then your ratio will be 2 is to 3. Instead of taking original number, I can take ratio also. Is it clear? Because in the final question, they are asking ratio only. I will deal this question with ratio method only. I'm taking ratio only instead of original method. I mean, original number. To calculate 36% of 7,500 is a difficult. To calculate 45% of 9,000 is a difficult. Ratio they're asking in ratio only, right? I hope everyone understood this. Yeah. All this question. It will be easy. I think you can do it. Try. New Madi. In a class 180 students, the ratio of boys and girls is 5 is to 4. The number of students who passed in the exam, those who have failed in the ratio is 3 is to 2. Among the girls, the ratio failed to passed candidates is 5 is to 3. Find the difference between the number of boys who passed and who failed. It's simple question. Try Madi. What is the answer? Simple question. Why you are taking time? Basic method only Madi. Normal ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Simple here. I'll repeat. What's the answer? Okay. Any member said 56? Let's see. 56. Okay. Total in a class 180 students. Okay. 180 students is the ratio of boys and girls is 5 is to 4. Boys and girls is 5 is to 4. Andre 180. Correct? Is it clear or not? Boys and girls. Everyone understood this? Because 5 plus 4, 9 parts is equal to 180, 1 part is equal to 20, 5 parts is equal to 100, and girls is 80. The number of students who passed in the exam, those who have failed, and the total students only passed and failed. Total students only passed and failed. It will be 36, 7 means 108 plus 72. Correct? 108 and 72. Right or wrong? So, ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? 108 and 72. Anyone have doubts? The number of passed and failed students is 3 is to 2. Total 5 parts passed members, 3 members, failed means 2 members. Out of 180, 3 is to 2 means 5 parts is equal to 180. 1 part is equal to 36. 36 into 3, 198. 36 into 72. I hope this is clear. Next, among girls, and the girls is 80. Among girls, 80 girls, the ratio of passed and failed student. Here I will write. 80 students passed and failed students are then 50 and 30. Correct now? Either pass, either fail. Is it clear? Everyone replying messages now? Yeah. Now what is the question they are asking? Find the difference between the number of boys who passed. ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು 108 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ 50 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಸಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 100 members boys and okay total ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು I need to find out passed boys pass agiro to find the different number of boys who have passed pass agiro total 108 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ 50 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ 58 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 72 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಾರಿ ವೇಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ okay fine so in the question find the difference between okay sorry reverse it is sorry thank you in the question they are given failed to pass good then it is failed it is pass okay it is right first number is right so how many boys pass 58 then it is failed to pass sorry reverse it is reverse completely now see here I will repeat once again it is failed sorry I didn't observe that thank you so failed is 50 here total ಇರೋದು 108 total 108 failed is 50 passed is 30 so I need to find out pass first I need to find out pass first 108 and 30 difference ಎಷ್ಟು pass ಆಗಿರೋ boys how much 88 78 okay 78 next statement there given failed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಈಗ 20 so this difference I need to find out difference and tell me answer understood this one now reply everyone now okay I'll give one more question try this question and tell me answer I'll give 2 minutes time try this Okay, solve this question. Daily earning is they spend 2 is to 3, their savings is 26, if their monthly expenditure is 6,500, annual salary. I need to find out that. Annual salary I need to find out. Try this. You can try this question. It's not sort of question. Kushbu and Dolly earn in the ratio 7 is to 8. If they spend means expenditure is 2 is to 3. Their savings ratio they are given 26 is to 21. If their total monthly expenditure they are given 6,100. Then find the annual salary. Annual salary. Anyone? Good. Like I said, annual salary I need to find out. See, expenditure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ monthly expenditure. Monthly expenditure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No need to take others now. Monthly expenditure ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Try to do this question. This question will be easy. I hope you will do. Just with this ratio you can do it. Yes, many members setting now answers is say that I need to find out annual salary. Find the annual salary. 8 plus 7. You can try that question. It is easy question, but try Madi. If you're not getting, ask me. Yes. Just comparison only. No need to take say this one. Isn't try Madi. This is little bit. Rural child type bananas, apples, mangoes distributed among children in the ratio 60 to 3 to 4. The weight of the mango is 40 grams. Ratio of weight of banana is okay. Try this. This is important question. Try this question. I'll give 2 minutes time. Try this. The weight of the mangoes is 40 grams and ratio weight of the banana weight and apple is 3 to 5. And if the weight of banana is 30 gram. Okay. Bhavana said 15. Good. Yes. 18 multiple. 18 multiple. Only one option. 18, 15, 16. Right. Only one option I have 18. That first number I observe that. See, simple question, it's not sort of question. So in the question they are given banana and apple and mango. The ratio of banana, mango, apple, mango is 6 is to 3 is to 4 dozens. Dozens. The weight of the mango is 40 gram. Okay. The weight of the mango is 40 grams and ratio of weight of banana weight and apple weight is 3 is to 5. And also banana weight I know 30 gram. Can I write 3 parts is equal to 30 gram, 1 part is equal to 10 gram, 5 parts is equal to 50 gram. Correct? Banana and apple, can I write 3 is to 5? If it is 3 is to 5 weight. If it is banana and apple weight is 3 is to 5. Is it clear till now? Now this is, can I write the weight of mango is 40 gram is 4? Yeah, okay, 4. See, this is 3 parts is equal to 30 gram means 1 part is equal to 10 gram. Means here 30 gram, here 50 gram. Again it is 40 gram only mango. I hope everyone understood this. The ratio is 3 is to 5 is to 4. Then total weight. In the question they are asking total weight 6 into 3, 18, 3 into 5, 15, 4 into 4, 60. That is your answer. I hope everyone understood this. 30, 40, 30, 50, 40. So ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇದು 30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದು 50 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 40 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3:5:4 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. I hope I understood this. Try this and tell me answer. At the start of quant class, the ratio of number of boys joined the number of girls is 5:6 respectively during the answer. Okay. During the 2 minutes break and number of boys 100, number of girls 52, and new ratio of the number of boys and girls is 1:2. Find the number of students that joined class initially. 11 multiple, I don't have first option. 33. 33 means again 9, 9 not possible. 11 3s are 33, and 4 not 7 is the only possible. And none of these also. See, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ exam level think ಮಾಡಿ. If you do like this in exam it's not possible. You have to think exam level. I many times I told you if it is none of this take chance in exams. ನಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ only possible is this. How to solve this question? Anyone able to tell without pen and paper how to solve? Sometimes it may wrong but not always. If it is none of this is there. ಯಾವ ತರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ what the final see question ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ at the starting quant class the ratio of number of boys and girls is 5:6 and during the 2 minutes break 100 boys are left girls reduced by 52 the new ratio will be 1:2 find the number of students class initially class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು 11 members answer should be 11 multiple I have only one answer 11 multiple ಅಷ್ಟೇ that's it. It is not 11 multiple. It is not 11 multiple. For 11 3s are 33 and 7 11 7s are 77. It is 11 multiple. It is not 11 multiple. It may be answer sometimes, but take chance in exam. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿದು ಫೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ okay so now again I will explain two methods again basic method again second method ratio method so now starting 5x boys now in break 100 girls left sorry 100 boys left now 6 girls starting 6x boys 852 girls left is equal to now remaining boys remaining girls 1:2 this is a basic method this is a basic method is it clear your own basic method let me know first is it clear basic method okay instead of doing this method same method ratio method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 5 and 2 is the boys and girls here after left 1 and 2 boys after left 1 and 2 ಈಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು 100 and 52 no need okay you can write minus minus also because ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ left okay 5 to 6 sorry I didn't observe 5:6 5:6 okay now 100 and 100 do cross multiplication 1 6 are 6 1 6 are 6 2 5 are 10 1 6 are 6 2 5 are 10 again 2 hundreds are 200 152 are 52 so here difference find out ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ difference find out ಮಾಡಿ one part you will find out and tell me here difference is 4 parts is equal to 148 one part how much one part 37 then 37 into 11 multiply ಮಾಡಿ 37 into 11 any number ಯಾಕೆ 11 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ then 7 3 plus 7 10 1 carry 4 not 7 these are cross multiplication I think cross multiplication everyone understood cross multiplication method I already taught this method in our class also basic concept also I explained there I hope everyone understood this is it clear or not reply in message Sir, concept of behind that question. Concept behind that question. Concept, I back. Sienna, I will explain that concept. I will explain that. Sienna. Here, for example, assume boys 5 members starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು, girls 6 members ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ 100 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ 52 members ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಂತು. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಂತು 1:2. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ 1 part ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ 52 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೋಡಿ. 2 ಇಂದ 5 ಅಂಡ್ 100 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ, 1 ಇಂದ 6 ಅಂಡ್ 52 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ. 2 ಇಂದ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 100 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 ಇಂದ 6 ಅಂಡ್ 52 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಇಲ್ದೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಾವು ಸಿ ಏನೋ 1 6 6, 2 5 10. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು. 1 6 6, 1 5 52 52 ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡು. ದೆನ್ ಸರಿ 1 6 6, 2 5 10 ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈ ತರ 2 5 2 100 200, 1 52 52. Then here difference is 1 200 and minus 200, it is minus 52. Here difference, okay, here difference, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ difference always subtract. Cross multiplication always subtract ಅಂದ್ರೆ difference ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ difference is 4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ difference minus 200 minus minus 52 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 200. always difference I need subtraction. minus minus 52, minus 52, it will be minus 200 plus 52. it will be difference is for 148. I don't want symbols ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 148 after subtracting ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ symbol ಬೇಕು. but difference I don't want. 4 parts is equal to 148. 1 part is equal to how much? That's your answer. 37 into 11 multiply, you will get answer. I hope it is clear. Anyone have doubt? Let me know. Anyone have doubt? Yeah, tell me. ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? What's your doubt? Tell me. Ah, that's all. So, same method you will get. Say now 10x minus 200 is equal to 6x minus 52. Is it clear? ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 4x, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 200, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ 148. ಆಗ x is equal to ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 8 37 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Do it calculation properly, then you will get answer. I hope it is clear. Solve this question and tell me answer for this question. This you can solve. This wait. Same questions, repetition, wait. I think same questions you have. I will take another sheet. Okay, solve this and tell me answer. Solve this and tell me answer. I don't have options. Directly. Everyone try to solve this question and tell me answer.